If you're calling with a question about your benefits, please press 1. If you're calling about pre-surgical admission, please press 2. Thank you for calling our major medical benefits information line. For information on our HMO plans, please press 1. For information on our PPO plans, please press 2. If you need information on individual plan benefits, thank you for accessing our PPO benefits info line. In order to provide better service, please enter your 12-digit policy number followed by the pound sign.
I hate these things. All right.